Our top focus this hour, the humanitarian crisis in Afghanistan, was what dominated the talks between the National Security Advisors of India and his Tajik and Uzbek counterparts in New Delhi. The talks come ahead of the Delhi Regional Security Dialogue on Afghanistan today between India and the National Security Advisors of 7 countries. Now on Tuesday, India's NSA Ajit Doval met his Tajik and Uzbek counterparts in the capital. There was concern regarding the Taliban government not doing enough to stockpile essential food supplies, especially since winter is already in full swing in the country. Sources say that both Tajikistan and Uzbekistan also expressed concern over the sharp increase in terrorist threats from Afghanistan, since both countries share a land border with Afghanistan. They were also keen on deepening cooperation in areas like defense, border management and border infrastructure development. Now today, the Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval will share the meet of top security officials, like I mentioned, from Russia and Iran, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. India had also sent invitations to China and Pakistan. While Pakistan's National Security Advisor Moeed Yusuf said that he would not attend, Pakistan's closest ally, China, has also opted out of the meet. India did not invite representatives of the Taliban since New Delhi does not recognize its acting government in Afghanistan. India is hoping to find a common ground on the way forward to establish a security architecture. The focus would be on the difficulties being faced by the people of Afghanistan, concerns over cross-border terror and export of radical ideology. The Central Asian countries will seek to find a common approach to tackle these challenges. Humanitarian aid to Afghanistan constitutes a major part of bringing security and stability to the country. The other major area of concern is drug trafficking. In a separate development, the Taliban acting Foreign Minister Amir Khan Muttaqi is scheduled to travel to Pakistan with a high-level delegation today. And Muttaqi is set to meet Pakistan's Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi. And on the agenda of the meet is enhancing ties, economic matters, transit issues, refugees and expanding facilities for the movement of the people. And for more on this, our principal diplomatic correspondent, Siddhant Sibil, is now joining us live. Siddhant, thank you for joining us. Now, the Indian National Security Advisor will chair the meet today. What can you tell us about the agenda and the course of the meeting?
Well, crucial talks are happening today here in New Delhi. The talks, of course, at the National Security Advisor level on Afghanistan. And these are the first such in-person talks New Delhi is hosting since the Taliban takeover in the month of August. And primarily the focus will be on issues like terrorism emanating from Afghanistan, also drug trafficking and the weapons that have been left behind in Afghanistan by the Americans and that pose a threat to the region, especially Central Asian countries. Remember, the 5 Central Asian countries are participating, all 5 in fact, and they're worried over a spillover effect from Afghanistan into their territories, and that of course is the top worry which was in fact shared during the bilateral meeting, as you pointed out, between the Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval and his Tajik and Uzbek counterpart. Later today, after the Delhi security dialogue that happens, there will be bilateral of the Indian National Security Advisor with the Russian, with the Iranian and with the Kazakh counterpart. And what is interesting to note is that this is the second visit of the Russian NSA to Delhi since the Taliban takeover in the month of August.
Right, Siddhant, I also touched on this earlier, but just for more clarity, what sort of an approach or a resolution are we looking at from these talks?
When it comes to the meeting of the National Security Advisors, or as one source described as the security czars of these 8 countries, the focus will be on forming consensus about the evolving regional security architecture and also making sure that when it comes to issues like terrorism, there can be consensus over what is the cause. In fact, the source also pointed that there is this unset consensus over Pakistan being the country which has been the cause of problem in Afghanistan. We know that while this NSA meeting is happening here in Delhi later today, Pakistan is hosting the Taliban foreign minister, and tomorrow there will be the Troika Plus meeting as well, Troika involving China, US and Russia plus Pakistan. So we know that in the past as well how Islamabad has been facilitating Taliban.
Absolutely.
Before the fall of Kabul to Taliban, Islamabad has been hosting Taliban delegation that was strongly opposed by the then Afghan Republic. So it is very obvious over how Pakistan has been supporting Taliban, and that has been something that has been a cause of worry in the Afghan society as well. So largely, if we look at the outcomes, the biggest outcomes is the fact that all these national security advisors are meeting here in Delhi and discussing the Afghan situation on the Indian soil.
Right, Siddhant, thank you so much for joining us with all those inputs. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.